Here's a recipe for some homemade jam. Choose any flavor that you like. I chose a berry cherry blend. This berry cherry blend has strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and cherries in it. Cook it on medium-high temperature. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, or 1/2 of a large lemon if you don't want to measure. Remove the seeds if any fall in. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I just went by eye. It might be a little bit less, but I don't like mine really sweet. Keep cooking it on medium-high. It's not finished yet. As you move the spatula around, it's pretty liquidy and fills in the gaps really quickly. Keep an eye on it though and keep mixing it so it doesn't burn anywhere. So here's an example of what it should look like when it's finished. As you move the spatula around, you can kind of draw a line, and it doesn't fill in right away. It kind of moves slowly to fill it in. Try your own and pick any flavor you like. Hopefully you enjoy.